Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to class 4 in the lecture series on how to make an effective resume. In this class 4, we will focus on what are the various sections on a conventional resume. Well, before that, why should I know all the sections on the resume? Is it important? Well, when you want to draft your resume, then the first step in making your resume is listing down what all the content you have, you possess. Means your skills, your achievements, your academics, your hobbies, your interests, and other relevant information, whatever you feel might go onto your resume. So step one, what we suggest you is roughly take down a notebook and just write keywords about what you want to have on your resume. So that will be your step one. Then we strongly suggest you to know how you can organize that content. You can do it in two ways. To organize the content, either you can refer to various templates available on internet. Just searching in the internet, you can try to look at all the templates and pick the headings, what all you see in the various resumes and templates. Not all the information available may be useful, but something in one template may be you found suitable to you, and there might be a second thing on a second template which might be suitable to your content. So after charting down the information completely, then you're searching for the templates, and in those templates you're searching for the headings which might be suitable for the content what you already wrote. So here you can also do reverse engineering. For the suitable heading, you can also develop content, but that may not work every time. You first have the content and then go for searching headings. Okay, saying that tips to you, what a conventional resume will have. Well, there is no thumb rule that something should be mandatory or something is not, but these are the basic things what any recruiter in general will expect a candidate to have on their resumes. Contact information, a brief description of resume, that is introduction, some projects or internships or any volunteer work that a candidate might have done during their graduation or post graduation or at any stage, what skill set a candidate possesses, maybe soft skills, maybe domain skills, hard skills, and education, and additional sections like achievements, extracurricular activities, hobbies, etc., based on the content what a candidate possesses. Well, in our follow-up videos after this, we are going to discuss every step in detail, what you should have in contact information and how you have to present it. How should you write resume introduction? How you should present your project, skill set, etc. We are going to discuss every section in detail. So in our next video, we are going to discuss in detail on how to write header of a resume, what a header of a resume contains, and how you should present the header of a resume is what we will see in our class 5 in this lecture series on writing an effective resume. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Sadhana Tutorials YouTube channel to watch more videos on this channel. Thank you.